controlled almost entirely by closed-source, deeply monetized monopolies. This diagram illustrates the current software landscape. Legacy platforms maintain steep pricing floors, forcing users to pay well over $100 a month to access their data. In doing so, users subsidize dozens of locked enterprise features they never actually utilize. Open Seo provides an alternative by decoupling the user interface from the underlying search data. The platform eliminates the standard subscription model, replacing it with a bring-your-own-key architecture. This setup functions as a machine-readable bridge between live search metrics and autonomous artificial intelligence. Traditional monolithic software traps live web data behind human-facing user interfaces. This structure makes the underlying metrics completely inaccessible to modern autonomous artificial intelligence agents. We can map the solution using this three-tier architecture diagram. This is the unbundled stack. It divides search optimization into distinct layers: raw data at the foundation, hosting and the user interface in the middle, and AI execution at the very top. Separating these layers allows developers to build machine-readable pipelines, feeding live search metrics directly into AI environments without passing through a traditional dashboard. We are going to deconstruct this new stack layer by layer. We will map out its microeconomics, evaluate its edge deployment mechanics, and explore the model context protocol. Unbundling the legacy software stack provides the exact catalyst required to transition an AI from a passive chatbot into an active participant in business workflows. Maintaining a petabyte-scale web crawler to index the global internet and bypass search engine rate limits requires massive capital. It is not an infrastructure challenge that an open-source community can easily crowdsource. To bypass this hurdle, Open Seo utilizes a bring-your-own-key, or BYOK, architecture. It offloads all raw data gathering to a third-party commercial interface called the DataForSEO API. To mitigate this upfront capital requirement, the development team offers a managed alternative at opensearch.so. This hosted version bypasses the $50 minimum, charging a $10 monthly fee that includes raw usage credits alongside a markup. Decoupling the visual interface from the data acquisition process democratizes access to enterprise-grade search intelligence. Moving to the hosting layer, the platform is built on a high-performance foundation utilizing TypeScript and the TanStack Start framework. This branching diagram outlines the two distinct deployment pathways. The left path shows a Docker container running a local SQLite database. This route is designed for solo practitioners requiring a rapid, localized setup. Local authentication is disabled by default, requiring an authenticated reverse proxy. The right branch illustrates the Cloudflare serverless architecture, engineered for distributed agencies requiring global edge performance. It utilizes Cloudflare D1 for distributed SQL and KV for high-speed caching. To accommodate data growth across both environments, the system utilizes the Drizzle Object Relational Mapper. This allows developers to seamlessly migrate data from a localized SQLite file directly to an enterprise Postgres backend as scaling demands increase. The Cloudflare setup specifically utilizes Cloudflare workflows. This manages long-running asynchronous cron jobs, like crawling a 1,000-page website for technical audits, without timing out serverless functions. Providing this dual-path architecture provides users with complete data sovereignty, all without sacrificing the reliability and speed of an enterprise deployment. To monitor application health without compromising that sovereignty, the platform integrates an anonymized telemetry module referred to as Telemachus. The module operates within strict privacy boundaries, transmitting only aggregate installation counts to developers. It actively ignores crawled URLs, specific search keywords, and private user emails. Prioritizing this level of auditable data protection is a primary driver for organizations to adopt self-hosted, open-source software over closed platforms. At the top of the stack is the AI execution layer. Without access to live web data, a language model attempting to provide search optimization advice suffers from a sensory gap, resulting in generic hallucinations. The model context protocol solves this. A local AI client sends a data request to the Open Seo endpoint, receiving structured search metrics in return. Functions like research keywords execute in real time, feeding exact volume numbers directly into the context window. But supplying an artificial intelligence with raw data only solves half the problem. The agent requires a cognitive framework to process that data effectively. Open Seo provides this through open-source agent skills. The keyword clustering skill, for example, instructs the AI to autonomously parse search intent and map new queries directly to an existing website architecture. The competitor analysis workflow pushes this further, guiding the agent to systematically pull a rival's top-performing pages and autonomously identify exploitable content gaps. Combining live MCP data access with structured cognitive skills transforms a standard text generator into an autonomous search analyst, executing real-world tasks inside a terminal. Consumer search behavior is shifting rapidly. Users are moving away from clicking algorithmic blue links and instead relying on AI-generated overviews for immediate answers. This structural shift introduces generative engine optimization, or GEO, as the critical new frontier for tracking authority. The AI brand visibility dashboard measures exactly how often a specific brand or domain is mentioned natively inside environments like ChatGPT and Google AI overviews. Marketers can dig deeper using the Cited Pages Prompt Explorer tab. This tool allows users to reverse engineer the specific conversational inputs that trigger their brand's inclusion in an AI answer. Understanding and manipulating how artificial intelligence perceives a brand is becoming indispensable. For organizations targeting AI search visibility, this strategic value justifies the higher raw data API costs associated with GEO tracking. While the agentic stack is highly capable, the Open Seo architecture carries a critical vulnerability: its absolute dependency on a single data provider. Because the platform is tethered entirely to DataForSEO, any sudden price surges, API alterations, or degradations in data quality will immediately impact the open source user base. Furthermore, functioning primarily as a real-time API wrapper means the platform cannot natively match the deep, multi-year historical trend indexes maintained by legacy competitors. For those requiring strict modularity, credible independent alternatives exist. SERP-Bear allows users to plug in diverse rank tracking APIs, while tools like LibreCrawl offer completely free local technical site auditing. Self-hosting successfully mitigates software lock-in at the user interface level, but relying on centralized data monopolies remains a structural risk for the industry. The competitive advantage is transitioning, moving from organizations that can afford the most expensive proprietary software to those who can effectively orchestrate open data pipelines. This orchestration enables a new collaborative pipeline. Human strategists act as directors, defining the creative direction and establishing overarching business goals. Autonomous AI agents handle the execution, utilizing the Model Context Protocol to perform the tedious data extraction, semantic clustering, and technical site auditing. This entire automated system is bound together by user-owned open-source infrastructure rather than expensive walled gardens. Open Seo provides a blueprint for integrating search data with autonomous agents, moving the work of optimization out of closed dashboards and into programmable pipelines.